Hi, friends. Welcome back, Miss Walker, and of course, our buddy Monkey the Mathematician. And we are back today to do Module 12, Lesson 5. So let's go ahead and go over our I can statement. All right, friends, say it with me. Say, I can show how to add a one-digit number or multiples of 10 to a two-digit number by combining tens and ones. Awesome. All right, my friends. So we are going to start off with build understanding. So let's go ahead and get our tools here. Awesome. Okay. So this first question we are on page 366. So this first question says, Ms. Gray has 12 paintbrushes. She gets 5 more paintbrushes. How many paintbrushes does she have? So we can go ahead and circle our numbers. Awesome. And then what do we do next? Do you remember our strategy? We circle. Yes, that's right. We underline. And we also box. That's right, my friends. So let's underline the question. That's our next step, right? Underline the question. And then what's the last one? That's right, box keywords. So Miss Gray has 12 paintbrushes. She gets 5 more paintbrushes. Do you guys see a keyword? More, that's right. Put a box around more. Awesome, awesome. And now it says draw to show how to add the ones. Okay, so we know that she starts with 12 and then she gets 5 more. So let's go ahead and draw 12. In the number 12, how many tens are there? You guys see? Yeah, that's right. There's 1. And in the number 12, how many ones are there? Yes, if you said 2, you are correct. 1, 2. So we just drew the number 12. How many more paintbrushes did she get? That's right, she got 5. So friends, if she's getting more paintbrushes, are we going to be adding or subtracting? If you said adding, that's correct. Let's go ahead and draw 5 more paintbrushes. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome. All right. Now, my friends, we need to figure out how many we have all together. So let's go ahead and circle all of the ones because we will count those up separately. So how many do we have right here? 10. Let's count on from 10. So what comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So how many paintbrushes does she have? 17. That's right. So let's look at the first question here. It says, how did you add the tens and the ones to solve the problem? What did we do, friends? Yeah, we were able to draw a circle right around all of the ones to group them all together. And then we added 10. We counted on from 10. We added the 10 and the 7, and we got 17. So let's explain that. So I drew a circle to group all the ones together. There are 7 ones. Let's make this a little bigger so we can fit all of the words we need to explain. Then I added the 1, 10, and 7 ones to get 17. Awesome. So friends, the next part says, how can you write an equation to solve the problem? So what were the two numbers that we added together from the problem. How many did Ms. Gray start with? 12. That's right. So we're going to do 12. And did she add or subtract? That's right. She added. How many did she add? 5. Awesome. And then what was our sum? 17. Very good. So Miss Gray has 17 paintbrushes. Time for a turn and talk, Monkey. There you are. So Monkey, can you explain how you solved the problem and what does your answer mean? Oh, okay. So Monkey said, because he added more ones, the sum has more ones than he started with. But he said he didn't add any tens. So the tens stay the same. So he said, because, do you guys see? Let's go ahead and get a different color to make it super clear. So because he added the ones, the sum had more ones than he started with, right? So we started with 12, but then when we added the ones, we ended up with 7. So more ones than we started with. But the tens, if we use a different color, oops, you can see that the tens, we started with 1 10, and that stayed the same. Awesome, friends. So let's go ahead. If you need this page still, you can pause. Otherwise, you can keep watching. We can move on to the next page. We are now on page 367. Okay, so it says, step it out. There are 20 paint jars in a store. Awesome. I love how some of you are already circling your numbers. You guys are on top of it. The store gets 34 more paint jars. We could circle 34. What do you want to do? Yep. You want to box more? Awesome. I love it. How many paint jars does the store have? Okay, my friends, we are going to draw to show the problem. So we're going to start with 20. So think, I can draw 2 groups of 10. So because we started with 20, in the number 20, how many 10s are there? 2, that's right. So let's go ahead and draw 2 10s. 1, 2. Oops, I kind of drew them really long. That's okay. So we did our first step. Then B says draw to show the number of paint jars the store gets. How many more did the store get? 34, that's right. So in the number 34, let's look at it a little bit larger. In the number 34, how many 10s are there? That's right, there are 3. So let's go ahead and draw 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. And in the number 34, how many 1s are there? That's right, there are 4 1s. Let's draw 4 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now we show how to add the 10s. Okay, so now we're going to show how to add the 10s. Think, I can draw a circle to group the 10s. So we're going to draw a circle around all of our 10s. Awesome. Okay, now we're going to solve the problem. So let's go ahead and write our equation. What are the 2 numbers we're adding together? That's right, we're adding 20 plus 34. Very good. Equals. Now, to figure out our sum, why don't we go ahead and count out all of them? Now that we drew 20, we drew 34, let's count up to figure out our total. So can you count by 10s with me? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oops, I put a dot there too. Now we're going to count by 1. So 51, 52, 53, 54. What's our sum? Yes, that's right. 54. Awesome. Okay, now check understanding. I would love for you to pause your video and do this problem by yourself. Of course, if you need your homeschool teacher to read it to you, that's not a problem. And then unpause when you're ready to check your work. Welcome back, friends. You should have circled the 3. You should have circled the 24. And to solve this problem, it says Julia has 3 crayons. Rich gives her 24 more crayons. How many crayons does Julia have? So we can go ahead and start by drawing the amount she started with, 3. And then Rich gives her 24 more. So we can draw 24. In 24, how many 10s are there? 2, that's right. So we could draw 2 10s. And how many 1s? 4, that's right. You just have to look at that digit right there to figure out how many 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to figure this out, we're going to group all the 1s together. So I'm going to draw kind of a funny looking picture, but I'm going to try to circle all of those 1s. Now let's write our equation. So how many did she start with? 3, that's right. And how many more did Rich give her? 24, very good. And now how many does she have? Let's go ahead and count by 10s. Ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So Julia now has 27 crayons. Awesome, friends. All right. So if you still need this page, of course, you can still pause it if you need to catch up or if you need to check your work. But you guys did such a great job today. I am so proud of you. Monkey is too. Monkey said he wanted to do a monkey dance for you. Monkey dance, monkey dance, monkey, monkey, monkey dance, monkey dance, monkey dance, monkey, monkey, monkey dance. Whoa, you have a lot of energy today, Monkey. Well, friends, we look forward to seeing you guys next time. Have a great rest of your day. Keep up the good work.